Welcome back to the $10,000 SOXL Trader Challenge. This is the recap for trading day 37, October 7, 2025. Today, the market gapped up at the open but then reversed lower, with the semiconductor sector showing a notable pullback. Our system did not generate any signals that met our entry criteria, so we remained on the sidelines in a cash position. The account's daily P&L was $0.00%, and the closing net asset value is unchanged at $10,274.56. In systematic trading, not trading is itself a decision. It implies that the current market volatility does not align with our strategy's model, and waiting is a reasonable way to preserve capital and avoid unnecessary risk. Summary of today's activity. October 7, 2025. No trades were executed. Key takeaways and strategy. Adhering to trading boundaries. Our strategy operates within clearly defined boundaries and conditions. When the market moves outside of these parameters, our primary task is to remain patient and stick to our principles. Filtering market noise. The market produces a great deal of random fluctuations daily. An effective system aims to filter out most of this noise, generating signals only when what we define as a high probability structure appears. Today was a typical filter day. Continuous monitoring and observation. Despite not trading, we were actively monitoring the market and observing the behavior of major indices at key levels. These observations provide us with information for understanding the current market state and potential future opportunities. Index and market recap. QQQ and VU. Major indices gapped up at the open but saw some intraday pullback, yet they showed resilience at the close. QQQ ultimately closed at approximately $604.51, holding above the $600 mark, while VU finished at around $615.20, also maintaining its position near the $615 level. This price action suggests that although the market faced some profit-taking pressure during the day, key support levels were not breached. SOXL. The semiconductor sector led the market lower today. SOXL opened high at 42.78, then trended down to close at 38.83, down 6.90% from the previous day. Although there was a clear downward trend intraday, its price action did not trigger our system's preset entry conditions, either long or short. Today's news. Data lull in the market. After last week's major jobs report, the market has entered a relative data vacuum early this week. Market participants are digesting existing information and awaiting inflation data, like PPI, CPI, later in the week. Anticipation of earnings season. As the Q3 earnings season approaches, the market's focus will gradually shift from macroeconomic data to corporate profits. Guidance from large-cap tech and semiconductor companies will be key drivers of market direction. Quantitative summary. Win rate. NA. No trades. Gross P&L. $0. Account daily return. 0.00%. New account balance. $10,274.56. Platform and workflow. No code platform. We use Capitalize.ai to implement rules, backtest, and automate trades. Data and analysis. Historical data and chart analysis in the video are provided by Barchart Premier. On a day with no trading signals, do you spend more time analyzing charts, or do you choose to take a complete break from the market? Share your routine in the comments. And don't forget to like, thumbs up and subscribe bell. See you in the next video.